It's $5 and you get 3 vegetables full of beans.
There we go. Can we get the GoPro?
Might have this one at some point, then we get GoPro for the next one. I still need to know to see if I get them. It's so swinging.
That's $5 and you get 3 fish and a full of beans.
Hey guys, day 3. We're in GATORLAND today instead of Disney. Yeah, we had a change of plan because Dad wasn't feeling so well, so it's just a shorter day. And I'm not feeling so well at the moment, so I might not vlog as much, so it won't be as long as yesterday. But it will still be a nice episode. Alright?
See my poop?
I got 2 pictures.
Okay! Woo, I landed on him!
Now what?
And if it doesn't work out, watch my bottom jaw. It's got so quiet. Minus the rubber ducky. Alright, so again guys, watch the bottom jaw. If it doesn't work, just watch my bottom jaw. Here we go. It's a close shave.
Right?
I wish I had another chin there. Be better.
Eat more Taco Bell.
Thank you, sir. Alright, let's try that one more time.
Again, guys, these stunts are up to the alligators, so plain and simple. If they don't want it to happen, it ain't gonna happen.
And if it doesn't, Zach's gonna put his head in the mouth.
It's not true. There we go. It's creaking open now. Don't look down, Christian. Wide open. Even more wide open. Very good. All right, get those hands back. Start getting your pictures. Yeah, Christian. Good job. All right, smile for him. Come on, smile. You did all that. You gotta smile. We're gonna be on Instagram. Come on. There you go. Nice. Very good. Wait. They gotta change the filter for the Snapchat. Give them a second.
Okay, we're done with that.
Woo!
You guys can clap now if you want to clap. Oh my gosh! Alright, tell you what. You guys have been awesome. The alligator's been phenomenal. Owen picked out one crazy alligator, but it's giving some hints he wants me off his back, so I'm gonna get off his back. Before I do that...
Okay, so that was a lot of fun. We're now going to go in and try and feed some of the bigger alligators. And yeah, try that.
Everybody with a glove.
Head on over there, grab a chunk of meat. Everybody get over there, grab a piece of steak. There you go, man. Keep recording the whole thing. It's great.
Yeah.
Everybody's gonna grab a chunk.
I'm recording it.
Right over that way. Just follow the line. And then you can throw it anywhere you want, any gator you want. Grab a chunk, cut right there. Back up a little bit. Back up. There you go. Hit, throw some meat, guys. Throw it. Don't hold it. Get it out there. Make some splash. That's okay. It's just catch up. Don't worry. Whoa. Back up. You can now
She's in the
cross the
crevice.
line.
What is that?
All right, come on down. Grab a chunk of meat. Come on, guys. Come on down. Grab some
Grab a
meat.
piece of meat.
She's saying.
Make some splash. Oh, get excited. Hit the big guys.
Throw them out there. The
Push away
farther
through.
the better. The bigger the splash, the more
It's like
excited
throwing
they
a
get.
Tic Tac at me. That's just sad.
Once you grab a piece, move away from the bin though. Come on down this way.
Get down that way. Go that way.
Come this way.
Head that
Come
way.
this way.
Oh, good springboard under the chin.
Right in the mouth if you mean one. And he drops it.
They don't like dark meat, so I'm fine in here.
Yeah, sorry, I just, you know, I have 100% survival rate, but I've just hit a lot of people with this stick. Still cross the line, you'll be alright.
That's your last one, right? Alright, the further the better?
Yeah, big splash. You want to hit him in the water, side of the face, anywhere. Perfect. Oh, off a butt.
Ma'am, you can't get that. Ma'am, don't get that close. What are you doing? Ma'am, no. Oh my gosh. No, that gator's mean. You don't want to do that, please. Oh no. Oh. Tell everyone you filmed that, alright? Especially Brandon. Will get me in huge trouble. It'll be great.
Sorry.
You're like, Brandon, were they supposed to let us get this close to the
You're
alligator?
like, Brandon, he dared me to touch the gator with my phone, and I did. Here's the video.
Here, let me make the video
Oh,
too. Mine would be way
Oh,
worse.
no. What kind of case is that?
Yeah,
I hope you have one of those, like,
that's mine.
glass protectors on.
Whose phone is
That's
it?
mine.
Oh, it's not her phone.
I gotta
Who
get
cares?
you on it. Do you have good insurance on your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, good. That's great.
Oh gosh. All right. Nobody watch. Don't get any ideas, guys. Michael's on the company insurance, so if we get like 45 cents a pound for our families.
45 cents a pound for your family.
Yeah, my family will be covered. I'm like 220 pounds, so you know I'm set.
I got a force field around me. Protect the force field.
We're nice. Heck yeah. All right, you ready? No, ma'am. No. You can't get that close. Oh, she scared that gator away. No, please. Oh, my gosh. You're going to put your phone in his mouth? What are you doing? Oh, she touched it. Oh.
Hey, ma'am, that's black water. Back up, ma'am. That is black
That
water.
was loud. He was hissing. He sounds a little hissed off.
On all three pieces, guys. Pull your gloves off. Set them in that silver bucket right back here.
Love you, pal. Good job. Somebody come feed this guy.
Jake, you pull my glove off.
Come here.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Come here. Hey.
Thanks.
Come here. You're gonna feed the giant one. Come here. Black water. Throw it in his
Come on,
mouth.
Alice, go.
Oh! Go get it. You missed.
You suck.
She's like,
Alice, why are you bad at this,
Can't
Alice?
fool her.
Why are you bad at this?
Go away.
Remember, when you're done throwing out your third piece, get rid of that glove. It's our second worst souvenir.
All right, I'll bite. What's the worst?
When you cross the line, you get a bruise. That's the worst one.
Terrible throw, Christian.
Oh, they're recording. Get your redemption.
that
Come on.
better?
Oh!
Was that better than you
Wait,
thought?
how many fingers do you have left? Oh, he's good. He's good.
He only had 9 coming in. I gave him one
You
back.
gave him one back? Was that the little kid from yesterday that fell off? Yeah. So he's got his strong finger.
Oh, that guy who got his thumb eaten off by the eel's got a toe for his thumb. I'll show you the video. It's amazing.
What?
A green moray eel bit
The
his
one
thumb
that's
off.
on video where he's like, I fed this eel every day of
Hot
my
dogs, yeah,
vacation.
and it
And then it
raised
just
his
came and was like,
Oh, you guys are gonna go first. Head over to Peter for me. Your group.
all right, the two of you?
3.
I like how you dressed her in yum yum yellow. That's a good choice for the gator suit. You know what? Because of that,
Is your name Emu? Emu? Timu. Timu. Alright, a storm's coming now, so I think we're going to start making our way out of here, but not before we see these guys. Can you see that? Oh, there we go. That one there. The white alligators.
Retarded?
Alice, are you struggling to pick a Donald Duck?
Yeah, because I'm all retarded.
They aren't, you're just... The beak's not right. The
Look!
feet aren't right.
Retarded! Like,
Oh my god. This is a complete fail for you.
retarded.
No, just because they don't have thing in their
The first one
knees.
was the best one. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna lie to
it
you.
was. I told you it
I can't
was.
remember which one it was though now.
It was like 4 back on the
No, it
furthest
wasn't.
right.
It wasn't.
Yeah, it was,
No,
because you
I
put it
moved them
there.
around.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We've been sitting here for about 10 minutes, and this is
No,
all
that's
she's
a
done.
really floppy leg one. Don't you?
You're actually a mess.
No, you're big.
What? How many Donald Ducks do you have, Alice?
5, 4.
4, and this will be your 5th.
Yeah.
All right. Just checking. You're actually a mess.
They're all. Oh shit! I shouldn't have put Donald back. Oh wait, no.
You're actually just like, I don't even know what to do to you with you. What are you doing?
Right, this was the one. No, it wasn't.
Oh my god. Oh my
I've
god.
lost him. I've lost him. I'm sorry, Donald. That's number 5, and then I'm rejected.
Oh my
I'm
god.
Sorry, come back to me.
Yeah, okay, well I'm gonna go end myself. Found him yet? Come on, Alice.
Oh wait.
Just tell me when you find him. Have you got him yet?
No.
I'm pretty sure he was like 4 back on the farthest right. Oh, what do you call this?
Searching for my Donald.
Searching for my Donald, episode 1. We've been here for 5 years, waiting for the Donald to appear.
Oh, but why has this bee got to be retarded? Right, do you know what?
Is that him?
No, it's not him because his beak's a bit retarded.
Alright, let me look. Alright. Let me look.
No, it might be
look.
him.
No, I can find him, I can find him. Oh, what if that's him?
It's
Is-
him. I found him.
Oh my god. Where does this one go?
Dunno.
In there.
It's here.
Here we go. Is that him?
Yeah, I found him.
Show him to the camera.
Found him.
There we go.
Original
Alright.
Donald.
Are you still stupid?
Probably. Come
Yep.
on, right, we need to go pay
Just
before
checking
they
we all
like,
agree.
pay about me.